All right. All right. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name's Eric. And on today, I'm going to show you my daily habits or routine, my daily routine of how I go about looking for stocks and my setup. And the good part about it is it's all free. It's all in the free version of TradingView. And all you have to do to get a free version of TradingView is just simply give them your email and you'll get the free versions. Now, the free version, you only get 2 indicators. That can be a problem if you're trying to just get certain types of indicators. As you see on mine, I've got the MACD. That counts as an indicator. If you were to just set up just one of these moving average lines, that would be an indicator. But as you can see, I've got 3 of them. Actually, this one and then a buy sell would be another indicator. So we kind of bypass that on that, and I'm going to show you how to get to that. Also, I'm going to show you what stocks are on my watch list. I'm going to show you that's a bonus today, not on all my videos. Also, and then also I'm going to show you how to use the screener on TradingView, which is free. If you there are some you can only use if you trade. You can only search using the daily, weekly, or monthly. So if you want to use the screener, searching for like 4-hour or hourly, you would have to pay if you wanted to do that. This is all free version of TradingView. So let's get to it. Here's the setup. I'll show you how to get to it. I'm going to click out of this. Here we go, and I love it. My internet's running perfectly. So here we go. Most people are going to open up, they're going to have this. Nothing's on it. Usually you'll have white background. I like the black background. It's easier on my eyes. I have no idea how to make it black. You'll have to Google that yourself. I did that many moons ago, and that's not what this video is about. So let's get to the indicators. That's what you want to know. So you just click on indicators here, and then you're going to type in SMA 9/50/180 by this M. Phillips guy, and we click on that and it adds it. There we go. And you'll see some extra lines. The blue is the SMA 50. So if you want to leave it on there, you could. We got the white. They got it as an SMA 180, 180, 200. If you want to change it to 200 because it makes you feel better, it will change a little bit. I just leave it there. The yellow, we got a yellow, is actually an EMA 20, and then the red is an SMA 9. We've got the buy sell indicators here if I undo it, and you also got a buy and sell indicator line. Technically, I guess you could use that. I don't, maybe it gives you maybe a little heads up. I haven't really looked at it. I think it just fills in, so you really don't need the line. So this is too many lines for me and too much stuff. So you can go up in here to settings, and you'll get this. And so the blue, I'll just click off of that. Just personal preference. In the buy sell chart line, I'll click on that, and here we go. I'm all set up. Since I can put something else on, some people like RSI subchart, some people like, heck, you could go in and find like a Fibonacci, put it over this. That may be a little bit too much, but you may find a trend line. I'm going to actually add things as I get going on future videos, maybe trend line setups that I find or something. I like a nice trend line, actually. But today I'm going to do what I normally do. I like the MACD. I don't make any changes to it. I just leave it like this. And there's my setup. So let's get to the bonus material. I'm going to show you my watch list. Mostly, here it is. I'll just pull it across for you. VOO, of course. I'm always looking at Bitcoin. Eli Lilly, Nvidia, Microsoft, basically the Magnificent Sevens with a couple more. Netflix, Costco, I like Costco. Tesla, Meta, Amazon, Google, Apple, Starbucks, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Recently, Coca-Cola's not been very nice to me though. MO, or Altria Group. We also got ProShares Bitcoin ETF, Applied Digital, Palantir, and Walmart. And these are other ones I've been checking, but those are ones I'm always looking at. I'm always adding some every once in a while. But I also always had the Magnificent 7 up there, definitely. And some sort of S&P 500. I just picked VOO. I like it because it pays a dividend. There's other ones. Just my watch list. Okay, let's move on to Screener. You're going to have to click on another TradingView page. You'll come up here, just hover over, and Screeners is down here. Click on stocks. As you see, you could check ETFs, bonds, crypto coins. Not sure what any of this stuff is. They also got heat maps down here if you want to see what's hot, what's cold. So, what we're going to do in stock Screeners. So we click on this, and here as you can see, there's 8,000. I'm just going to stick on US markets, and I'm going to click add new filter, and I'm going to just quickly go down here to market data, average volume, 30 days, add filter. So nothing happens because you got to change it again. Manual setup. I'm going to click in 1 million. I like 1 million. Some people like 500,000. Do whatever you feel comfortable or your preference. But I like 1 million. That gives me enough liquidity. I feel that I can easily buy a stock that's got that average, and I can easily sell it. Here we go. I'm going to add a new filter. We're going straight to MACD. Sticking with the daily. MACD and level crosses up signal. If you're looking for stocks that you wanted to put in a options put, or just flat out short it, you would do a course level crosses down signal. So I'm going to put an SMA, simple moving average, and go all the way down to 200 and add and below price. Because I want the line below the price action. I want the price action above. I want stocks that have been, doing fairly decent for quite a while. We're down to 35. You could look at if you got time, you do all 35, knock yourself out. I don't have that kind of time, so I'll do SMA again. And this time I'll choose 9-day, add filter, below price 0 to 10%, 22. We knocked 10 off. You can do even less. You can come in here and do manual setup and 0 to 3% and apply. There we go. I've got 12. Now this doesn't necessarily do buy, sell indicator. Curious about Planet Fitness here. This basically is MACD crossing up. Price action is above. This is interesting. Planet Fitness. I would definitely look at this. And I might even put like a trend line. You're like, what's he doing? See, I would go here. I click on here and connect with that. Connect with that. This is how I would trade this. I'd say, I'd put that there. And I would wait. And then as I can see here, I'll do another one just to see. Boop, we'll do it here. This is, we can cross a little. So makes me look at things a little bit better. So here's the resistance, here's the support. If it ever came down here, I'm out. But it looks like it bounces off the seat, bounces, kind of comes, bounces, kind of sort of comes in this area, bounces, comes, bounce, goes up, hits off of it, hits off of it, hits off of it. Can it make it through? Then I would be in the buy. You know, once it gets over here. Ooh, that's neat. Nice drawing. Once it gets up there, you know, out of the zone, then that tells me the stock is going to go off a buy. And of course, if it comes back down here, then we're out. As it keeps drawing for me, and I don't want it to. And so this just really helps me out with these trend lines. So I can see if price action goes above, I'm like, okay. And I want it to go linear. But if it doesn't, if I was to buy here, this kind of tells me, no, this is not really a good trade. Sort of. I could change the trend line. And just go here. But if I do that, then I'm waiting for it to go up that way. The point I'm just trying to get across, this helps me. I was here. Actually, this is how you do a better trend line. This kind of tells me that, you know, there's a lot of action up there. This was probably, this is definitely, I was getting ahead of myself. This is definitely more your resistance line than what I had back here, because it dropped, it came back. You can't really use this one. I would love to use that one. It'd make a little bit more sense, but I'm getting off track here, just giving you some input of how I look at things. So if it's too far this way, horizontal, it kind of will let me not want to do it. I'm getting off track here. Thanks for watching me ramble here. But yeah, leave a comment and leave me a like if you found this valuable. Educational purposes always. But I'm gonna finish it here. Oh, wait a minute. Did I? Yep, I did the screener type. Let's remove all my terrible drawings. And of course it got rid of my indicator. This is how I would look real quick for like a stock. Give you a little bit more here. I've got just a little more time. So I come up here and I just come up to, you could do all the stocks if you wanted to, if you're just crazy. And you just click on there and you just go down. We're not going to get, so there's buy Apple, they're saying buy Apple, sell Amazon, short Amazon. 2 possible trades I could look at, and I'm just filtering through. Another buys at Apple, Walmart. So we got Walmart for buy, so there's 3 that I could look at. Just using the buy sell signal, and I just keep going down through the stocks. This is boring, but I actually do this. There's a sell, United Healthcare. I just go through like this like a crazy person. I actually do this. I also do what I just did, but I also do this too. And I do it within 10 minutes. This is all within 10 minutes, even though this video is way over because I got into my support resistance. Little rant there. Another sell. Or there are 2 sell, PDD holding, maybe a short. Man, look at that sucker. It's really been diving. Okay. You get the gist of it. Another sell on applied materials there. That's, woo. All right, I'm going to end it there. I hope you found any value. I hope you have a great day. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.